Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's ambitions to eventually succeed President Emmerson Mnangagwa appear to be gaining momentum after a group of retired military commanders openly challenged attempts to extend Mnangagwa's rule through Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3. Sadabina Mashuko Branyo Wachinzi, VP Chiwenga gets Mnangagwa succession support. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibida ZVAITWA, Mabranyo Rachiti. The intervention by senior Liberation War figures signals a deepening power struggle within the ruling ZANU-PF party, a pattern that has repeatedly shaped Zimbabwe's political trajectory since independence. Retired Air Marshal Muchena has emerged as new face of resistance within the Liberation War establishment, leading a group of retired generals and senior civil servants who are former combatants of the armed struggle. The group is opposing proposals that critics say would allow Mnangagwa to remain in power beyond his current constitutional term limit. In a formal submission to Parliament dated 12 March 2026, the group challenged the proposed constitutional amendments, arguing that they undermine the sovereignty of Zimbabwean citizens and violate the founding principles of the liberation struggle. The statement signed on their behalf by Muchena was submitted to the Clerk of Parliament during the public consultation process on Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3. The retired commanders said they were responding in terms of Section 328(4) of the Constitution, which requires Parliament to invite public submissions before altering the Constitution. The intervention comes after the death in exile of outspoken war veteran Blessed Comrade Geza, who had been one of the most vocal critics of attempts to alter the constitution to prolong Mnangagwa's stay in power. Geza died in exile in South Africa earlier this year after reportedly fleeing Zimbabwe following political pressure linked to his criticism of the government. Until his death, he repeatedly warned that tampering with the constitution to extend presidential terms would betray the ideals of the liberation struggle. Following Geza's passing, Muchena has stepped forward to rally other former Liberation War commanders, signaling what observers say could be a widening revolt within the ruling establishment. The retired commanders invoked the ideological foundations of the Liberation War, recalling ZANU-PF's revolutionary programs during the late 1970s. Toma developments are repo. Vina comment section medu za fungu aimo to diva msaripa chitu kwa ichi. So subscribe or like, sit on the bell icon.